In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide notification content on Android lock screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down until you find notifications as one of the options. Then once you're here, what you want to do is go over to lock screen notifications, and where it says show notifications, you want to go ahead and turn hide content. So what you can do is have it on icons or dot or cards if you want to, but if you want to hide it completely, go ahead and turn it off entirely. And now it says that notifications won't appear on the lock screen. And yeah, it's as simple as that. You can also configure the rest of your notifications as well, so that when your screen isn't locked, you can also change things and you can hide content while locked as well. So it says choose whether to show the content of notifications before you unlock your phone. So if you want to have your notifications on for lock screen, you can have it on. But then where it says hide content when locked, you can hide it when locked just like this. And it says apps set to show notification content while locked, none. And then yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.